Most of the people will never touch DeFi. The wallet, the bridges, the risk, it's just too much. But what if all that are already handled for you? And all you had to do is pick a trader and follow them. I'm not a professional advisor, but let's get it on. All right, guys, so this is the landing page of BitMEX. A link to this will be in the description of the video. Now, what I would like to stress and show to you in this one, guys, is their copy trading. So basically, copy trading has long existed in traditional finance and Forex as a way for individuals to replicate the strategies of the more experienced traders. Now, in the cryptocurrency space, however, guys, okay, this concept has faced a lot of limitations due to the complexity of the decentralized finance environments, and many high-performing traders are operating on chain where participation often is actually creating risk, such as the contract vulnerabilities, the technical knowledge which you often require, and that smart contract vulnerabilities are the operational errors. Now, by introducing copy trading within a centralized exchange environment, BitMEX is actually presenting an approach that brings access to these trading behaviors into a more structured and user-friendly setting, and also potentially lowering the barriers for the broader participation. Now, of course, guys, I would strongly recommend that you always do your own research. That way, you could actually, gain a lot more experience, a lot more knowledge before you start immersing yourself into the real trade. And guys, Hyperliquid, which is this one right here. Okay, guys, this is something that I would recommend that you go ahead and check out yourself during your own time, and the link to this will be in the description. Now, Hyperliquid has developed a reputation as a performance-focused decentralized exchange that is attracting traders operating with significant capital and data-driven strategies. Now, because activity on the platform is recorded on-chain, trading histories are publicly available and accessible, as well as you could also verify them there. Now, this transparency allows observers to examine consistency, drawdowns, and behaviors during the volatile conditions. Now, by integrating this verifiable data into its copy trading system, BitMEX is enabling the users to view trading performance based on the recorded activity rather than selectively presented results. So you have a lot of options in there that you could go ahead and check out. And of course, you have the filters right here. Okay, so if you click on that one, these percentages will change. So this is the one for 30 days. This is 180 days, which is 3 months. All right, so this is overnight. All right. Now, guys, this is something that you also need to take note of, all right? Risk management. Now, risk management remains a central concern in copy trading, particularly when the users are replicating decisions made by others. And that is when the one that I'm telling you, which you always have to do your own research, comes into play, because they are experienced traders. And if you are a beginner, of course, you also have to do your own research. Don't just rely on them solely. All right, you also have to learn it yourself. That way you could be a better trader in the long run. Now, BitMEX is incorporating controls that allow the individuals to define allocation limits, set the maximum drawdown thresholds, and disengage from strategies when losses exceed the predefined limits. All right, and that is when you already have your own, of course, you have your own limits, and the experienced trader, the one that you're copying, has their own limits as well, right? So it depends on your aggressiveness, or basically like the risk. Are you that aggressive type of trader, or are you that conservative type of trader wherein you're not really aiming for a very high percentage of profits, but you want to be on the safe zone where, if you could gain a good 5 to 10%, then you're all set. You would already take profit on that one. Or if you lose like 5% of the capital, then you would take it out and then find a better trade or formulate another trade already. So additionally, reverse copy trading is introduced. And let me go ahead and show that to you. And additionally, guys, you see those reverse copy. So those reverse copy trading introduces the ability to take opposing positions, offering an alternative way to engage with the observed trading patterns. All right, so guys, BitMEX has put together a 100,000 USDT reward pool specifically to coincide with this launch, okay? It is going to run from March 5th until April 5th, and the rewards are actually structured to benefit different types of users. Okay, loss coverage means that if your first copy trade don't go perfectly, a portion of that loss is covered, which makes this an unusually low risk time to experiment. So that is actually a very, very good, like giving chance to run, right? Also, guys, deposit cashback rewards you to just fund your account. Trading credits give you extra runway to explore the platform, and the referral bonuses means that you can earn passively just by sharing your link with the people who are interested. So this campaign ends hard on April 5th, and there's no extension announced. So the earlier you get in, the more of the pool you can access. Of course, I would strongly suggest that you explore their website. There's a lot of different features that you could actually take advantage of with BitMEX. But again, do your own research, find it all out, knows the ins and the outs, the advantages, the benefits, and all that. And if you've been waiting for a reason to try copy trading, guys, or a way into Hyperliquid without the DeFi headache, now this is the moment. 100K in rewards, a real downside protection, and a feature that is setting no other CEX has right now. So link is in the description. Go ahead and check it out. And if you're new to the channel, hopefully you would consider clicking that like, that subscribe, and click that bell. Now you'll always be notified when I upload new videos like this in the future. I'll see you on the next. I'm out. Peace.